Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are well. Children, you all have seen the first part of the chapter 2. Hmm? Children, in the previous video, we learned about external and internal organs of our body. Yes, and we learned different internal organs and their functions like liver, heart, stomach, brain, lungs and kidneys. Okay. So children, today we will study about organ system. Yes. Before I start, I want to ask something. Children, tell me how many members are there in your family? Okay, let me take an example. Father, mother, brother, sister and grandparents, है ना? यही सब लोग तो होते हैं हमारी फैमिली में. Yes, and each member of the family has different work. Yes, and means every member of the family has a different work. Like Papa goes to office, है ना? Mama takes care of you. She cooks delicious food for you. Your brother, sister, they study, they play, है ना? And your grandparents look after you. So every member has different work. Okay, so children, how in a family every member has different role, similarly in our body also there are many different organs. Okay, and when these different organs uh, work together to perform a special function, that is called organ system. ओके, जैसे हमारी फैमिली में फादर, मदर, ब्रदर, सिस्टर, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है ना? और सबका वर्क क्या है? अलग अलग है, बट दे ऑल लिव टुगेदर एंड मेक्स अ फैमिली. ऐसे ही हमारी बॉडी में भी बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं, यू नो वेरी वेल, है ना? तो बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स क्या है, उन सब का वर्क तो डिफरेंट है, बट वो सब एक साथ क्या करके एक कोऑर्डिनेशन में वर्क करते हैं और किसी स्पेशल फंक्शंस के लिए वर्क करते हैं. ओके, दे परफॉर्म अ स्पेशल फंक्शन एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द ऑर्गन सिस्टम. ओके स्टूडेंट, जैसे फैमिली के हर मेंबर का वर्क अलग अलग होता है and everyone's work is important to run a family. Okay, same like that there are many different organs in our body. Okay, and जब ये different organs मिलकर एक साथ किसी special work को करते हैं तो उसे क्या कहते हैं? organ system. Yes, it means एक organ system में बॉडी का एक पार्ट ही नहीं, एक से ज़्यादा पार्ट मिलकर वर्क करते हैं. ओके, सो वी कैन से different internal organs work in coordination with each other to form organ systems. And the main organ systems of our body are skeletal system, nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, muscular system and circulatory system. Okay, and children, in skeletal system, okay, skeletal system is made up of bones. Okay, look, this is our skeletal system. Okay children, our skeletal system is made up of bones. Okay, and these bones in our body join together to form the skeletal system. Yes, and it gives shape to our body. Huh? Okay, Due to this skeletal, this gives shape to our body and also protect the internal organs. Okay, so the structure of bones in our body is a skeletal system. Yes, this is nervous system, and the nervous system is the control center of our body. Okay, this system is control system of our body. Our brain, see, our brain send and receive messages through the nerves. See, these greenish color, these are the nerves in our body. It is respiratory system of our body, and this system helps us to breathe, and it supplies oxygen throughout the body. Okay, when we inhale, and release carbon dioxide when we exhale. Okay, children, and this is our digestive system. There are many organs work together in digestive system, and they digest the food, means converts food into small components. Okay, and release energy. And this is muscular system of our body. Okay, and the muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. Okay, movement when, like we run, sit, dance, bend. Okay, these all functions are responsible by muscular system. Okay, and we have more than 600 muscles in our body, children. Okay, now the next is our circulatory system. Children, this is our circulatory system. Okay, and heart is main organ of circulatory system. Okay, and this system is the main transport system of our body. Yes, heart pumps oxygenated blood throughout the body, and this blood carries digested food, water and oxygen to all part of the body. Okay, children, ये तो थे हमारे बॉडी के मेन organ systems. Okay, now in this chapter we will read about respiratory system. Okay, respiratory system. Yes, all living beings need oxygen to breathe in. Means we all living beings, not only humans, all living beings, birds, animals, plants, insects, है ना, all living beings need oxygen to breathe in. Means we all breathe in, inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Okay, our respiratory system help us to breathe. Which system help us to breathe? Respiratory system. Okay, and breathing is very necessary. Do you know, if we just for few seconds we close our nose and mouth, what will happen? क्या होगा? हमें बिल्कुल भी सांस नहीं आएगी ना, और ऐसे लगेगा जैसे कि हम क्या हो जाएंगे, मर जाएंगे. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी में ऑक्सीजन नहीं जाती है ना, हम लोग ब्रीथ नहीं कर पाते हैं. ओके, सो ब्रीथिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल लिविंग बींग्स. ओके, टू स्टे अलाइव. Breathing is a process of taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Okay, so children, what is breathing? Breathing is a process of taking in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Okay, and our respiratory system help us to breathe. Children, See, human respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. कितने organs work कर रहे हैं हमारे respiratory system में? Nose, windpipe and lungs. Okay. Children, we all breathe air to live. Yes, and our respiratory system help us to breathe. So, human respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. Look here, there are a pair of lungs, है ना? These are very soft, delicate, spongy-like structure. Okay, so how many organs are here in the respiratory system? Nose, windpipe and lungs. ठीक है, ये organs क्या कर रहे हैं? एक साथ function कर रहे हैं. Okay, so while breathing, air enter through the nose and gets the lungs through windpipe. Yes, when the fresh air reaches to the lungs, they increase their size like balloon. ठीक है, जैसे एयर यहाँ पहुँचती है इनका साइज़ क्या हो जाता है? बढ़ जाता है. जैसे आप बलून में एयर फिल करते हैं तो बलून का साइज़ क्या होता है? इंक्रीज हो जाता है ना. सेम लाइक दैट, as the air enter inside the lungs, they increase their size. Okay, and the oxygen rich air reaches to the pouch like structure called alveoli, and these alveoli are present at the end of the branches. Look, the branch like structure are here. Okay, at the end of these branches there are pouch like structures that are called alveoli. Okay, then this oxygen कहाँ चले जाता है? एल्वियोलाई में चले जाता है. ठीक है, these alveoli give the oxygen to blood vessels, or we can say the blood vessels get the oxygen from the alveoli, and this oxygen rich blood get transferred from the lungs to the heart. Okay, from where oxygen is distributed to all part of the body. Okay, children, when the blood vessels get oxygen from the alveoli, they give back carbon dioxide. Okay, and that carbon dioxide is moved out from our body through the nostrils. Okay, now you must have understood how the respiratory system works. Okay, so this is our respiratory system. ठीक है, नोज, विंड पाइप और लंग्स ये ऑर्गन क्या करते हैं? वर्क करते हैं रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम में. सो देयर आर द 3 ऑर्गन्स विच आर इन्वॉल्व इन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम: नोज, विंड पाइप एंड लंग्स. ओके, so children, breathing is very important process for living beings, and while breathing we should take some precautions. Okay, कुछ precautions भी हमें ध्यान में रखने हैं. What are the precautions? Let's see. Always breathe through nose. Okay, breathing through nose prevent dust and germs enter the body. Okay, what you have to do? You have to always breathe through your nose. Sometime you people or may breathe with the mouth. Yes, करते हैं ना बच्चे कभी कभी. क्या करते हैं? माउथ से भी सांस लेते हैं. तो माउथ से नहीं लेना है, अदरवाइज क्या होगा? जो जर्म्स हैं, डस्ट हैं, वो डायरेक्टली कहाँ चले जाएंगे? थ्रोट से आपके लंग्स में, एंड लंग्स विल गेट इन्फेक्टेड. यस, and we will fall ill. So what you have to do? Always breathe through nose. Okay, avoid breathing through mouth. से नहीं breathe करना है. Okay, breathe in fresh air and keep the windows and doors open. क्या करना है? fresh air breathe करनी है. Okay, do not cover the face while sleeping, and whenever you sleep you should just keep your quilt or blanket डाउन, डोंट कवर योर फेस, ओके, फेस को कवर करके नहीं सोना है. यस चिल्ड्रन, children, today I will teach you a yoga, okay, that is called deep breathing. Yes, and it helps in relaxing the whole body. You can do it at home or you can teach to your elder ones also. Okay, so deep breathing is very good exercise, a good yoga, that I will teach you today. So what you have to do, you just sit and cross your legs as shown in the picture. देखो, yes. Close your eyes and keep your back. See the back straight ना, देखो बिल्कुल straight बैठे हैं ना ये, ठीक है. Slowly breathe in through your nose. Hold your breath as long as you can. Now breathe out through your mouth. Okay, relax for few minutes and repeat the same for 6 to 8 times. It's a very good yoga, very good exercise that you have to do. It keeps your body very relaxed. Okay, और आपके lungs को भी strong करता है. Yes children.
Children, we all need to breathe to stay alive. Yes, as I told you ना, we have to breathe fresh air. और अगर हम fresh air नहीं breathe करेंगे तो क्या होगा? We will face many problems, many health problems, and we will fall ill. Okay, so nowadays one of the major problem is air pollution. Okay, look at the picture. यहाँ पे पिक्चर में दिखाया गया है कैसे कैसे एयर पोल्यूशन होता है ना. देखो, when the harmful gases released from the factories, from the vehicles, from the chula or from the houses and mix with the air, that causes air pollution. It means this smoke makes the air dirty. Okay, so we can say the mixing of undesirable substance in air that decrease the quality of air is called air pollution. Okay, there are the some main causes of air pollution given in your book. Burning of fuels like coal, petrol, है ना, these causes the air pollution. Lots of smoke, है ना, कहाँ से निकल रहा है स्मोक? इंडस्ट्रीज से, ओके, और हाउसेस से, दैट कॉजेज द एयर पोल्यूशन. यस, स्मोक रिलीज बाय द बर्निंग ऑफ वुड, लीव्स और गार्बेज, है ना. सम पीपल्स में burn the garbage in open places, that is also causes the air pollution. Yes, so there are many ways, many causes, okay, of the air pollution. Yes children, so what will happen if air will pollute? Then what will happen? क्या होगा अगर air pollute होगी तो? See, when we breathe this air, dirty air, it is dangerous for us. Okay, these gases can cause some harmful disease like throat pain, eyes or nose infection. Yes, some major disease like asthma, lung cancer. Okay, and sometime people may unconscious or even die. So this pollute air is not good for our health. So how we can control it? How we can control air pollution? It's a very good way, children. Only and only green plants can control the air pollution. Okay, so to reduce the air pollution, we should plant more and more trees. Yes, plants, we know na, plants can take carbon dioxide and they release the oxygen. Yes, and this oxygen is needed for respiration. Oxygen mixed air is fresh air. Okay, so plants give us oxygen and they take carbon dioxide from the air. Okay, and only plants are the good source of reduce air pollution. So what we have to do, we should take care of the plants and try to plant more and more trees. Okay, and these plants clean the air. Okay, children, so today we attempt some topics like organ system, yes, respiratory system, breathing, deep breathing. I also teach you a yoga, huh? And causes of air pollution and what problems we face by the air pollution. Okay, children, now what you have to do, just go through the video, read the chapter. Okay, thank you.